Hello everyone, and welcome to Orchestrated Power Moves. Today, we're diving deep into the world of trading, specifically, how to trade like a pro. Buckle up, because we're about to unlock the 10 most important secrets that separate the amateurs from the masters. 1. Knowledge is power. Our first secret is simple: education is paramount. Before you even think about putting down real money, immerse yourself in the world of trading. Learn about technical analysis, fundamental analysis, risk management, and market psychology. Remember, knowledge is your best weapon in the financial battlefield. 2. Craft your plan. Don't just wing it. Develop a trading plan that outlines your entry and exit points, risk tolerance, and overall strategy. This plan is your roadmap to success, keeping you focused and disciplined even when emotions run high. 3. Master the tools. Trading platforms and tools are your allies. Learn how to use them effectively, from charting software to technical indicators. Remember, the right tools can give you valuable insights and a competitive edge. 4. Embrace the trends. Understanding market trends is crucial. Learn to identify them, analyze their strength, and capitalize on their momentum. Remember, trends can be your friend, but don't forget to manage risk when they shift. 5. Risk management is king. Never underestimate the power of risk management. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and protect your capital. Remember, it's not about winning every trade. It's about surviving and thriving in the long run. 6. Be patient. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience is key. Don't chase quick wins or get emotional. Stick to your plan. Wait for the right opportunities and let your discipline guide you. 7. Learn from the masters. Seek out mentorship and guidance from experienced traders. Learn from their successes and failures. Remember, there's always something new to learn, even for the most seasoned pro. 8. Community is key. Connect with other traders and investors. Build a community where you can share ideas, learn from each other, and support one another. Remember, we're all in this together, and collaboration can be powerful. 9. Embrace the psychology. Trading is not just about numbers and charts, it's also about psychology. Understand your emotions, manage fear and greed, and make rational decisions based on logic, not impulse. Remember, your mind is your most powerful tool. Use it wisely. 10. Never stop learning. The markets are constantly evolving, so never stop learning. Stay updated on new trends, strategies, and technologies. Remember, the more you know, the better equipped you are to navigate the ever-changing financial landscape. There you have it, the top 10 secrets to trading like a pro. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, discipline, and a constant thirst for knowledge. So, put these secrets into practice, stay focused, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tips and tricks. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy trading.